Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best labels for water bottles on the market right now. I'm excited to introduce you to the URROMA wedding water bottle labels. These labels are more than just stickers. They're a delightful way to add a touch of elegance and gratitude to any special occasion. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, or baby shower, URROMA has designed these with both style and functionality in mind. What sets these apart? First off, they come in a pack of 50, so you have plenty to go around. Each sticker features a beautiful greenery and floral design, perfect for adding a natural, fresh look to your event decor. The material? It's top-notch. These stickers are made to be durable and easy to apply. Just peel, stick, and press, that's it. No fuss, no mess, just instant charm. And the best part? They're versatile. Whether you're decorating water bottles, wine glasses, or even milk bottles, URROMA's labels adhere seamlessly, making them ideal for any celebration. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your next celebration with a touch of elegance and heartfelt thanks, look no further than URROMA wedding water bottle labels. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques like this one. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique.